Okay, so what we're up to now is we're up to the 4th video. Now this is the part where I actually get the bride changed. So to give you a timeline of how things are working here, obviously I'm hoping you've watched the other videos, but if you haven't, what we're talking about is we arrive roughly an hour before the bride actually gets to the point where she's changed, and that's where we've done the other videos that you've been looking at, which is things like shooting the bride's dress, doing the makeup shoots, and things like that. So we want to be there roughly an hour before that takes place, and then we'll get the bride changed. Once her hair, makeup and everything's finished, we'll then organise a little part of the room where we can actually get the bride changed into her outfit. Now usually what will happen is the bride goes into another room or we will walk out, and the bride then puts her dress partly the way up and just leaves the bottom part or the top part of the zip or the buttons to be left for us to photograph. Now sometimes the bride wants the whole thing shot. That's where it's lucky, because I obviously always have Kerry with me, and being a female she can then shoot them doing that aspect of it as well, so I don't need to be in the room. And sometimes I just turn my back and then Kerry does that as that's going on. So that gives you a timeline roughly about where this is shot. I'm shooting from one angle, Kerry's shooting from another as well, or if I have even another shooter, they're shooting from another position as well. But you can sort of see how that will work here. So we make sure that we're not in each other's angle. I'll usually shoot with something like an 85 and Kerry will shoot with a 35. Sometimes I'll also shoot with a 16 to 35 too, depending on how wide I want to go. So let's have a look at that part of the wedding now.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use flash on Hannah, because we're lit from the background, so I want to make sure there's enough light all over. So I've got the on-camera flash on, and I've gone -2 for that in exposure. I've just got to make sure that I'm enough exposure up. I'm just going to take a test and see what that's like, and that's pretty good. So I'm 1/25 of a second, 3.5 and ISO 320. And it looks to me like it's about dead on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get all of the girls in, and they're going to help Hannah get changed. Kerry's going to grab this camera and take it from this angle. I'm going to grab another camera with the 85 on it, and I'm going to take a different angle. Girls, can you all pop out? No, I won't need it with this one.
Is it me?
Yeah, all of you, yeah. Yep, so you're all going to help her get changed.
Take your robe off now. Oh, did he? Robe's off.
Now let me just see exposure on this so I can get this right. 1.8.
Looks lovely. We're going to change your straps too.
Yep, cool.
Yeah.
So Hannah, turn around a little bit that way. That's it, stay like that. And then bring your face, that shoulder just a little bit back still. That's it, stay like that. Now the girls are just going to fuss all over you. Now is the back part still?
Yeah, it's waiting.
Okay, so I've just got it. Yeah, I'll zip that up in a minute.
So pretty. No leaves and flowers.
Well, I'm going to, but I'm going to grab the back part. Yep.
Oh, no.
Just let me grab that.
I don't know whether you would need to change the straps. Like, you can't see them.
Well, that's my boobs look like this.
Yeah, but I don't think you need to change the straps. I don't reckon you can see them.
Is it falling down now?
As long as they don't fall down.
Oh.
Need to fold her zip down.
Oh, what's that? What's that noise? What's that noise?
That's going. Oh, look at your paws. You can't go near Hannah's dress. Dirty. Good boy.
That's nice. So pretty.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Four. And your mum has to look like she's not killing you.
That's the face you pulled before.
I know. Let's do another one, because your mum looks like she's terrified. Now you got to smile, Mum. Come on. You got to smile. All right, let's go back again. All right, so try again. We'll do it this time without your mum looking like she's going to... Yeah, so just pretend you're doing it. So you don't have to touch... You just sort of... That's it. Perfect. And then it doesn't look like... Go again. Then it doesn't look like you're actually trying to kill her. Okay, now we'll do the other side.
Worse than if you give
Hannah can do her other side.
Yeah, you can do the other side. Yeah, we don't need your mum to do that one.
Okay.
Did that go up?
So Claire can put my engagement ring on.
Actually, I didn't get that. Can you just pretend to?
Just do it up or like actually take it
Just
off?
whatever. Just hold it. That's all.
Oh no, that's salt.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're all right.
Woohoo!
Beautiful. Okay, so now someone else can grab her boots and help her with her boots on.
Yeah. I'm not getting in.
I wasn't.
Do the other one.
I wasn't trying to.
You get to do the other one.
All right, now put your feet down. I'm just going to take a photo of the boots. Go that way, actually. Okay. All right, now you need to take them off again anyway.
So I hope you enjoyed looking at that too. We're looking forward now to the next part of the stage of the wedding, which will actually be the bride once she's dressed, and we do some formal shots through the house. So that'll be the next video coming soon.